Making ice out of a poppet. So first I need to pick out a poppet, and I think I'm going to go with this purple circle poppet. This is what it sounds like. Now let's go put it in the freezer and fill it up with water. So I'm going to need a measuring cup, and let's fill it up with water. That should be good. My freezer's actually full, so I'm going to use the freezer in my garage. Perfect. I'm going to place the poppet right here in front of the macaroons and ice pack. Now to fill it up with water. Oh gosh. Plan B, I took the poppet out, so let's fill it up down here. Okay, all done. Now let's put it in the fridge. Okay, it's in. Now let's close it, and I'll update you guys tomorrow or whenever it turns into ice. Bye! Part 2 of all the fidgets that Boost Fidget sent me. If you want to purchase from Boost Fidgets, the link is in my bio. They sell some of the coolest and newest fidgets that I've never seen before. Let's start with the hard shell poppets first. These feel such high quality. Let's pop it. Loud on both sides. The blue octagon. And the white octagon. All of these are so good. This is what I'm most excited for. This is huge compared to a normal poppet. Comes with a keychain. This is the quieter side, but it's still pretty good. The loud side is the best. If you want a nice high quality poppet, get this one. This is another one of their massive poppets. I love the pops. I'm not kidding, Boost Fidgets has some of the best poppets ever. This is the last poppet. It has 100 bubbles and has amazing pops. Link in bio. Hey guys. Thank you guys so much for almost 80,000 followers. We're getting closer and closer to 100,000 followers every single day. And at 100,000 followers, I am going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to start ordering giveaway prizes now, so I need you guys' help to figure out what I should order. So if you guys could comment some fidgets that you guys want or fidgets that you think would be good in the giveaway, that would be amazing. I'm definitely going to be including a poppet. But besides a poppet, I don't really know what else you guys want me to put in the giveaway. Here are a couple fidgets that I feel like you guys would want me to put in the giveaway, so comment if you like any of these. Also, there are going to be 2 to 3 winners. Anyways, thank you guys for all the follows. Recently, we've been growing extremely fast. I'm so grateful for every single one of you. Make sure to comment what fidgets you guys want in the giveaway. Bye! Hey guys! My fidget package came today, and you guys don't even know how excited I am. I ordered a lot of my dream fidgets, so I'm really excited. Let's open it. I just opened it, so let's start pulling some stuff out. So the first thing I pull out is my Neatos. I've always wanted these. Let's open it. Guys, these feel like globbles. And look how sticky. I literally love these. Next up is my color changing Neato. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. And it color changes into purple. Okay, I'm literally obsessed. And lastly, all of these Simple Dimples. These have been my dream fidgets for the longest time, and I'm so excited I got them. These are my 2 favorites. Blue and pink one. And here's the green and purple one. That's everything I got. Bye! Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Ariana Slime Boutique, for sending me all of these fidgets. This is my 3rd time reviewing her shop. Her shop is linked in my bio, and she also packages a lot of her orders on her TikTok. Without further ado, I think I'm going to start with the Neatos. Also, I love these heart packing peanuts. Let's open these up. This is a crystal Neato, and it's so pretty. And of course, the shaggy Neato. There aren't many online fidget stores that sell Neatos, so I think it's super cool that she sells them. The next thing is a really slow rising squishy. And this cute cow squishy. Look how cute this pig splat ball is. So sticky. This is what her extra baggie looks like. The next things I see are this mesh ball and this tangle. I love both of these. This mesh ball is so fun to squeeze. And this is like a mini tangle. Poppets. These pop so good. Silly putty. This is her icy slime. My mom just messaged me that my Amazon package is here, so I'm gonna go check the door. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh. Oh my god. I quickly set up this ring light so I could open up my package. And I do have scissors with me. So let's open it. Here's a sneak peek. OMG, guys, look. My Simple Dimple with 3 popping things came. Let's open it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's basically like my other Simple Dimple, but it has 3 popping things. And the last thing I got is this Fidget cube, and I've never had one of these. Let's open it. I got the red Fidget cube, and it's so cool. It has a spinny thingy, some buttons, a circle pad that also spins, this metal sphere which spins and clicks, these things, and a switch. Okay, hi guys! I just received this green Pop-It from Hockley's store, and fun fact, mint is actually my favorite color. And you guys can get the exact same Pop-It as me on their website, which will be linked in my bio. And to save some more money, make sure to use my 10% off code, which is just CHARFIDGET10. So without further ado, let's open up this Pop-It. Here's what it looks like. It's so pretty. That was the loud side, so here's the quiet side. Overall, I really like this Pop-It, especially the loud side. And if you guys want to get a good Pop-It for a cheap price, I definitely recommend going to check out their website, which again will be linked in my bio, along with the 10% off coupon code. That's all I wanted to say. The Pop-It again will be linked in my bio. Bye! Thank you so much, Boost Fidgets, for sending me all of these fidgets. These fidgets are so awesome. To purchase any of these fidgets, the link is in my bio. Also, make sure to follow Boost Fidgets on TikTok because they make awesome videos. So many fidgets. You can also use the coupon code TikTok for 10% off your purchase. The first things I'm going to start with are these hard shell Pop-Its. I have been wanting one of these for so long. These are so pretty. First, the purple one. Do you hear these pops? This is such a good Pop-It. Next is this marbled square Pop-It. This one pops so good too. And it's loud on both sides. This one is so aesthetically pleasing. So good. Come back for part 2. My fidget package came. I ordered some tangles, so I am so excited. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I ordered these 3 tangles with my own money, but they were kind enough to send me 2 more. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Thank you so much, Tangle Creations, for sending me 2 more tangles. I'm going to start off with this metallic one. Oh my gosh, this feels amazing. And it's so big. Next is my gold metallic tangle. Okay, this one is gorgeous. I love this color so much. And now this classic tangle. Guys, I love these colors. It reminds me so much of cotton candy. And now moving on to the 2 tangles that Tangle Creations sent me. This Tangle Junior. Whoa, the texturing is so nice. 100% recommend. Lastly, the Atomic Tangle. It's so pretty. All of my Pop-Its. Circle Pop-Its. Square Pop-Its. Heart Pop-Its. Hexagon Pop-Its. Animal Pop-Its. Random Pop-Its. And these 5. In total, I have 47 Pop-It. I think that the new Simple Dimples that I just ordered came, so let's check the mail. Oh my gosh! So I can't show the address, but let's go inside and take them out. A couple days ago, I did order some of the new Simple Dimples with my own money. Let me just show you guys. I have been wanting these ever since I saw them on their website. And Simple Dimples are my favorite fidgets. I'm going to start with the black and white ones. This color combination is so perfect. I am obsessed. Next are the clear ones. I love how these look.